repainted. うわ、ちょっとこれダメじゃん。No nipple is broken. これ大変やで。And wear the tire. Undercover, little bit rusty. I think this quarter panel is changed maybe because this shielding is different. Look at this shielding and this shielding. Maybe. And all repainted. Here also shielding is like this and repainted rough paint. And we are the welding. Here is okay, maybe no welding back, but there water. The rear caliper only painted rough paint. Little bit rusty. Here also painted, so all repainted. And driver seat, okay. I think it's all repainted and too much polish. I think here all repainted. No rust. Too old engine and no water. It need add water, and maybe somewhere leak.これ大丈夫な。It's bend. No rust. Inside, no rust. No, little bit oil leak.